Hey, welcome to our channel. How are you guys? Hope you all are fine. If you like our videos, then share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe our channel.
Over the past couple of years, we've seen a steady stream of companies enter the foldable laptop race. Lenovo's ThinkPad Foldable, Asus ZenBook Foldable, and HP's take on the old college try, the HP Spectre Fold. The HP Spectre Fold is a 17-inch Windows laptop with a foldable OLED screen. HP claims that it's the world's thinnest and thinnest 17-inch folding PC. There aren't many of them out there, but it does weigh just under 3 pounds. That's an impressively lightweight 17-inch laptop. Before we get too far ahead of ourselves, though, let's set the record straight. The HP Spectre Fold starts at $4,999.99. That's one of the highest prices for a foldable laptop ever released, and it's gonna be way more expensive than most of the others in this category. ThinkPad X1 Fold, $2,499. ZenBook Fold, $3,499 theoretically. These foldable laptops offer more versatility than traditional laptops or Windows tablets, cramming a large screen into a compact form factor that's easy to carry. But at $3,499, that's a lot of money to ask for something that's not so great. We'll have to wait a little longer to see if that's the case with the new Spectre Fold, which has HP's signature Spectre branding and design. What does the foldable laptop offer that the ThinkPad or ZenBook doesn't? AI, of course. According to HP, the new foldable laptop is the world's first foldable. It's got all the bells and whistles you'd expect from a laptop, like AI, gesture controls, and screen time reminders. Plus, HP's GlamCam is on board too, so you can enjoy a tailored computing experience. The only downside is that it won't be cheap, so we'll have to wait and see if it's worth the price tag. On the plus side, it's packed with Intel chips and 16 GB RAM and 1 TB storage. Plus, it has an OLED panel with a 1920 by 2560 resolution. I'm excited to see what the Spectre line has to offer. It's got some amazing screens. It's hard to recommend the X1 Fold at a $5,000 price point. The X1 Fold's battery life was abysmal, and the keyboard was so tiny that typing was almost impossible. A second-gen version of the Fold was demoed by Lenovo last fall, but it hasn't been released yet. Asus ZenBook, meanwhile, has a 17-inch screen and is much more viable, but it's had software issues in my testing. The dock disappears, the desktop often doesn't flip when the laptop changes orientation, and I've been stuck sideways on video calls for hours. It'll be great if HP can get Windows to work well with the folding form factor, get the battery to last, they say up to 12 hours, and make the magnetic keyboard usable without feeling like a cramped toy. Even so, $5,000 is a lot of money.
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Honest Tech, for more awesome videos.